Hi guys, so today I will be showing you a simple project that I made which is an Arduino clock. Here is the basic design. I'm using a power bank to power the Arduino, and here is a 16:2 LCD driven by an I2C backpack. As you can see, the LCD displays 8 criteria of hour, minute, second, month, day, date and year. Also there is a bonus of this LED which is over here and which is controlled by this resistive touch sensor over here. The the electrode is connected to this screw, and if you watch these two closely, I touch it once and it turns low. As you can see, other than the date and time, there is another column called LED. As you can see over here, there is an LED which is controlled by this resistive touch sensor. The controlling pin of the touch sensor is connected to this screw, and if I touch this, it will change from off to the first function, low. As you can see, it is brighter than off but not that bright as well. If you push it again, if you touch it again, it will change from low to medium. As you can see, this has also changed and the brightness has improved. It's better than low and off but not the best. So if you press it again, if you touch it again, it will change from medium to high. As you can see here, it's okay-ish brightness, the best that we've seen. And if you want full brightness, touch it again. As you can see, you touch it again and now it's full brightness, and this is the best. If you touch it again, what happens is it turns off. So I have driven this clock by the ZS042 RTC or real-time clock module, which uses the I2C connection as well as the LCD to communicate with the Arduino and basically transfer and receive data. So for this, for the resistive touch sensor, I have used the digital output and I have calibrated it to detect touches. The LED will update every second. As you can see, it's pulsing over here, and if you wait, it's 50, so we can wait until 16:05, just a few minutes, 8, 9, and as you can see, it resets to 0 and now it's 16:05 and seconds are still ticking. So this is the circuit, and it will be really useful by attaching this screw in, for example, the chassis of the clock. You can just touch the clock and the light will turn on. So that will be really useful for a person like me who sleeps a lot and something happens in the middle of the night. I can just touch it and the lamp will turn on. And also here we have the optional extra of removing this connector and now making it basically dark mode. Though it's hard to really see anything, it will conserve a lot of battery if the power source is weak, and you can put it back when you are sure that you don't really need to save power. So I hope this was at least slightly useful to you. The code is not that complicated. You can find it on the internet, and and this is a really simple project that you can make at home and maybe try it yourself. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.